Check out this beautiful 2021 Ram 1500 TRX edition. This truck is absolutely loaded with everything on it. It's the nicest truck you can buy right now. We installed the aluminum RetraxPRO heavy duty cover, securing all of the expensive items in the back of this truck bed. This cover has a beautiful look to it, super low profile, heavy duty aluminum supporting 500 pounds of weight on top. It has a nice sleek look to it, so you keep that truck looking clean. Go out to your truck to open it. You have the handle here. This is your key, so you can unlock it like this. Push this, slide it right back. Instant access to your bed. You can go out to your truck, lower tailgate. It's all clamped on. The Retrax XR, they re-engineered the clamp-on design so it can even support more weight on top when you add the rack accessories to the side. If any water gets inside, there's drain tubes to go out the back there. You can still fit some stuff underneath there if you need to. You can grab this handle. Here how easy it slides. Look at this. One hand. Easy. Stop it anywhere you want, just push it down. Lock it up like that, secure your bed, shut your tailgate. All done on this beautiful 2021 Ram TRX. Visit Truck Access Plus when you're ready for a truck bed cover.